Guys, this is one of the best keto cookies that I've made. I can't believe how good they taste. And it's less than 1 net carb per cookie. Come on, let's get into this video so you can see how to make them. But if you want me to make you some, hit me up.
Photograph feels like 100 years ago. Life was easy then, or is it just the way the mind works? We look so bold, like the winners of the league. Don't you know we had it all those summer days? I wonder where you are and if life is good to you. Have you kept your copy from the photo booth that day? Time is a thief. It works fast when you look away. What I'd give to go back there, those summer days. The smell of rain on the
okay? You have to let them sit for at least 10 minutes. But after they completely cool, I'm trying to tell you, if you look at the tray, it's a bunch of them gone already. They are delicious. If you want me to make you some, hit me up on Instagram, or you can follow the recipe. Now remember, these are eggless, so they might just be a little super soft. If you like soft cookies, this is the one for you. But I'm telling you, if you let them sit, it'll be fine. Now let's look at the carbs. Okay guys, the cookies that were left, I let them sit out for like the rest of the day. So here's one. I'm telling you, if you let them sit for a good hour or stick them in the fridge, they are delicious. Less than a carb, I am in heaven. Keto journey, keto life, keto queen. Woo!